All right, back with another video. These are the LG Tone Platinums. Basically, another pair of headphones that's made by Harman, even though they have the LG branding. But down here in the corner, you can see that it says Harman. See if I can focus that. There you go. So let's just look around the box. Not really much to say about these. I mean, these are Bluetooth also. I think. I'm pretty sure they are. Well, it says Bluetooth right on it, so wow. That's what happens when you buy something and you don't really pay attention. You're just buying stuff. But let's unbox this. Nice box. That's pretty nice. If I can figure out how to get this part out of here. Oh, okay, wow. So it just slide out sideways. Let's see, inside the package. What's this? The LG tag. Don't really know what that is. Oh, it's an NFC tag. Alrighty then. Haven't used one of those in a long time. Let's see inside this little box. Pretty sure it comes with everything, just like all the other ones. Yep, USB, micro USB, extra headphone, little tips, instructions. And here it is itself. They look alright. I don't really like these all that much because I don't like this. How do you make that part go back? Somebody knows. Oh well. Guess I'll have to figure that part out. Oh. Okay, that's kind of cool. So basically you can take the headphones and pull them out. And then you hit this little button right here. And it retracts. So that actually is kind of cool. You have your play and pause button, forward and backwards. The USB, yeah, that's where you plug it in so you can charge it. HD. Don't know what the battery. Up, down, volume, up and down. I was assuming that that was the power. But maybe it's not. It's gotta be the power button. I'm gonna have to look right quick on the instructions because I want to power these on. I mean, they seem pretty nice, something that you want to, I guess you can wear them to the gym. They have different kinds. But I just want to try to power these on while I'm here. Oh, there's some kind of switch. Where's the switch? There it goes. Alright, but, oh, there it goes. Alright, this time we're going to use iPhone. Haven't really played any music on here, so don't know what I have. I don't listen to the iPhone that much. Okay, so I do got a few. Alright, let's try to set up the Bluetooth on here. Bluetooth is on. LG is already searching. Wow, they vibrate. Okay. Never heard that before. One of my favorite songs, because you can't really hear it. I thought it would be something that I could play, or you can hear it, but they're not the best sound. I mean, I would say that these headphones are for someone who's trying to make phone calls, or maybe you're at the gym and you just want some music. You don't really care that much how it sounds. I can already tell that I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use the AKGs because I actually did listen to them after my last video. And if you want a good pair of headphones, I can say those AKGs, they're really good. So if you got a chance to get those with your Samsung, then you didn't go wrong at all. So I would recommend you get these, the AKG, the Y50BTs, over these Tone Platinums. But they're both Bluetooth. You know, these are over the ear and they sound amazing, amazing. If you like Beats, if you like Soul Republic headphones, you're gonna love these. So that's like, I give it a 10 for these right here. These right here, I don't really hear any bass or anything. I mean, it's only been a couple of minutes, so I really can't say that they sound great or bad, but I just stuck them in my ears for a second and it's just flat. It's just something to have some music there, you know. About the volume that you hear right now, it's just something to ignore, really. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Any comments, any questions, anything specific you want me to answer, just write it in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. All right, thank you.